Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm representing mElimu. We, as an mElimu, started our journey in 2012 from one of the African country, Kenya. And mElimu is Swahili language where Elimu means education and M stand for mobile. We started in 2012 in Nairobi, Kenya, and in the last 9 years, we have been expanded from East Africa to South Africa, North Africa, West Africa in 2014 and 16, and then we have expanded to North America as well as launched in India ourselves. And finally, we have reached to the Asian countries as well as in Philippines. mElimu is a all-in-one solution for all of your learning and teaching goal. And mElimu has two major products: learning management system and online examination platform. mElimu LMS is one of the most on-demand learning management system with a highly innovative, integrated, secure, and bundled with a lot of unique and powerful AI-based features. It has personalized learnings, gamified learning. You can see a lot of reports, AI, and several other unique features that makes us the different from other companies. One of the major USP of LMS is offline learning management system that allows to learn anywhere, anytime, at any devices. The another product we are having is the online examination platform. mElimu OEP is an online AI proctored examination. And we have conducted a lot of semester examinations, school examinations, serious examinations, as well as for hiring and certification based assessments as well. This product is running for colleges, corporates, and schools as well. In the last 3 years, in the product, we have reached almost more than 1.5 million users onboarded, attempted the examinations. Online examination is a very powerful tool for conducting any kind of secure examination where the students and teachers are sitting remotely. A quick glimpse about our LMS and OEP. You can personalize the experience. What you need, the features, you can allow and configure those features as on your need, as on your demand. And a white label product on the Apple and Play Store is launched for you. So you have your own product with your own brand. Scalable, obviously, your data may grow, your users may grow. The system has the scalability. Almost more than 3 million users are using this product. As I said earlier, offline learning is one of the unique feature we have. Not only the learning, but also the activities can be performed offline by the students. It means the quizzes, the assignments, even the kids are not having the internet, they can't give excuses to the teachers that they don't have internet, so that they can't submit the assignments or quizzes. They can still able to submit that offline, and the sync happens whenever they are connected with the internet. We have highly secure examination platform where a lot of security features are enabled to conduct these serious examinations, inclusive face recognition, lockdown, live video monitoring, as well as AI proctoring. We'll talk more about in the next point about AI proctoring. The system capture the human eyes retina and recognize the face, and any intervention is happening in front of the camera, system quickly capture and give an alert to the human proctor that this user or this student is a defaulter. If the students are not sitting in front of the examination, there are multiple people are sitting, and there are several other things that AI monitor and can take decisions on that basis. If we are talking about learning management system, obviously there are few core modules that I would like to take all of you over. Tracking, advanced reporting. Easily you can track the user behaviors, progress, their performance, and you can see all these in a different graphical analytical chart, and you can download these reports. Obviously, the product, the way it is, where the motto is to learn anywhere, anytime, any device, enabled, allowed with omni-channel experience. You are on mobile, you are on tab, you are on browser, you will have the same experience. Where you have stopped, you can pick any devices, logged in, and you would be able to start it from where you have left. The system has automated scripts. It means the system has decision making features where you have the contents and you have created the learning paths. Easily the students, on the basis of what learning path you have created, the courses, the subjects will be open for them with those assessment. It's having the mobile friendly, where you can have real-time support. We have given the options to ask a teacher. as well as any other support that is needed by the kids. They can directly connect with the help desks. We have given a very better user experience in our LMS. In the learning experience, that is most important thing, how the user's engagement should be more better. So learning experience where the students, the kids, they have the whole progress. They can monitor even their own activities, and they can see which area they are not doing well, and they can perform or do more activities on those areas. Obviously, it's a centralized and automated system. We are SaaS based LMS where your all contents are stored and activities are stored in one centralized area. And we have given as repository system as well. If you have any such digital contents as well, you can place those and you can sync or connect with your other courses or programs accordingly. And that's why it's a pure automated solution. There's a chief proof proctoring as well. We have given also the e-commerce facility. There are customers who are selling their contents or the books, digital books. The e-commerce facility will help them to generate more revenue from them, and they can do online shopping, and other e-commerce features are there as well for selling their books, selling their contents, and several other things. mElimu LMS been integrated with a lot of other third parties. Can be your payroll system, accounting system, ERP system, SIS, or any other softwares that you are using. mElimu LMS has public APIs that you can get integrated with your legacy systems. mElimu LMS comes with a pure white labeling so that user experience should be much better. Also, it will be easy for the branding of your institutions using the white label products. You can easily create courses. You can manage all the courses, as well as it has a lot of other features, multi-campuses, attendance, course compliances. There are a lot of other features. Those are comes within the mElimu learning management system in this highly secured based system. mElimu has been expanded to more than 25 countries in the last 9 years. And the reason behind the success of mElimu, where we have onboarded almost 3 million users, there are 5 major reasons. High adoption. With multi-dimensional approach, capturing trends, the advanced technology being used BI and AI technology, as well as accelerated with the digital transformation. Obviously, the reason of highly adoption, when we did survey, we found the reason behind is are these four major areas. The user experience. Obviously, it works offline. So even the students and teachers are not having internet, they still be able to learn and teach. There are a lot of challenges nowadays happening with the teachers to create the contents. We have given the facility to the teachers to create their audio or video content from their smartphones, as well as whiteboard content. As well as we have also added HTML5 package interactive content the teacher can quickly create. There is a very important feature is behavioral and progress tracking. The system only not tracking the progress, but it is also tracking the user's behavior so that right contents should be delivered to the respective kids. Every students have their own interests, and these interests being captured by the LMS so that it would be easy for the teachers to understand the kids' behavior and accordingly handle. In the multidimensional approach, obviously, the system has a capability where you can run blended learning, you can have self-paced learning, or you are running any certified based programs. And it's true that in the normal days when there was no pandemic, we have also implemented the hybrid implementation for the face-to-face students when they are entering into the campuses to connect directly with the local server, and when they are out of the campus, they should connect with the cloud. mElimu LMS system is capturing market trends so that it helps you to expand your business. The system capturing the demographics so that you can understand the user's interests, the market interests, the interests of the programs, courses, or subjects that users are in need. What kind of contents delivery are more being in interest in the market? Easily you can have those information from LMS. And that's how the system is helping in expanding the businesses while opening more campuses, more franchises in different part of the regions. mElimu system is equipped with very advanced technology, having business intelligence and artificial intelligence that helps you, providing you a powerful analytics on the basis of your historical data. The system, on the basis of historical data, the system has facility bringing the decision making. The another powerful feature has been added in the examination platform is the face recognition. where students will not be allowed to enter into the examination unless and until their fees are matched with the profile picture that you are having in your database. And once they enter into this system, a secure lockdown system opens to attempt the examinations. And then AI proctoring keep tracking the human behavior and keep giving the real-time alerts to the proctors. The system has accelerated to digital transformation. So from your registrations, paying the registration fee or fee collections, your admission process, your whole teaching, learning, activities, examination, as well as the alumni can be happened in this one solution. We'll quickly take you to the how the system helps you. The screen is talking about showing the interest of the users, the students, on a different subjects, on a different courses. And on the right side, if you see, it shows the type of activities that denote with different colors here, where you can see the most liked and interested to the students are actually the resources in most of the courses. You may also see some other, those are being more interested by the students are quizzes that's most likely been used, and in the assignments, the discussion forums. It is easily able to understand and give you a better approach for the better content deliveries and the quality of teaching. What to deliver in which courses and to whom. When I was talking about understanding the trends, I have just shared a sample report showing you the different courses being running in one of the institutions, and it shows how the different sessions, that means here cohort, with respect to different countries, with respect to different candidates, are coming in each sessions and applying. Accordingly, you would be able to see the track report that talk about different programs those are running and how many candidates are applying. And similarly, you can see in the graphical report. There are more reports that helps you to understand the gender-wise reports for your different programs that you are running, what's their interests, or the disabled users, or the age group-wise users. You can easily see here the number of applications or candidates that have applied to your different courses, how many of them have been admitted, and how many have completed. So you have the full life cycle with the progress from your application to completion. This is one of the important module that we are having is the course compliance that allows the each schools to track which of their subjects are meeting the quality parameter that has been set up by schools or the colleges. So for an example, you can set up different parameters or the targets for your teachers to create assignments, quizzes, or any other activities. Can be forum, chat, or it can be responsiveness. For an example, till what time or days the grading should be happening, how quicker teachers should respond to the students. These number of days, once you configure and apply to all your programs or subjects, you would be able to see which courses or subjects are not meeting the set parameter, and you can easily identify the respective subjects in red and green with their respective teachers. So here you can see few of the courses are in green and few of the courses are in red. If you'll see this course, civic leadership, you will see the assignment minimum requirement was 7. Submission happened 18, but graded only 1. Similarly, in the discussion forum, there were 13 being discussion created. There's 12 been responded. This is how you can see the different activities and make sure your teachings are delivered with that quality parameter. Would quickly like you to take you all to the mElimu K-12 modules as well, where these are just the high level, quickly giving you a glimpse on major modules where we have registration, collaboration, course compliance, activities, reports, and timetable scheduler. In the online examination platform of mElimu, these are the major modules: AI facial recognition, we have lockdown browser, multi-platforms that can be used, auto proctoring with AI, we have complete authentication process, there's a mobile app with the proctoring, remote proctoring, any kind of assessment. It can be the practical or viva kind of activities can be happened as well, or the video and audio submissions can be happened in the assessment tool. We have facility with live video monitoring as well, live chat, option to stop the examination and play the examination, or you wanted to extend the examination for specific users due to power failure, system crashes as per their raise for any of the reason. And then you have completely advanced time management. I like to quickly take you all one of the two major customers whom we are serving and quickly take you what different challenges, how we have resolved. If you'll see, I have shared two customers. City Montessori School, this is one of the largest school having 65,000 students in India with almost 19 campuses. And we are working with future education system in Egypt with some around 35,000 students with 14 campuses. CMS is one of the world largest school. They have a lot of franchises. They are not only in India, but they are expanded globally as well. There were a lot of costs being involved for the multiple campuses and to manage those campuses. And those were one of the bigger challenges that they were facing. And they were unable to handle those. There were multiple manual activities were happening. The updates or notifications from the head office was not been updated on time. There were a lot of visibility challenges were there against each branches. The curriculum being followed or not by the different branches, the activities, the examinations, or the attendance, there are a lot of things that were getting. So the system, what we deployed, it's a single solution with having equipped with all these, as well as few other challenges that we have identified. We have enabled those features as well and implemented. And in the last 2 years, we have implemented and running with almost successfully with 15 branches with almost 50,000 students. They are going to be the adding more campuses with the same solution and more enhanced features. Another customer, we have Future Education System. This is one of the school who has announced in Egypt with first digital school and a paperless school. They are keep adding a lot of schools, a lot of campuses. And a lot of problems they were getting almost similar with the CMS, but there were some others was related to the classroom activities that they were doing. It was not getting captured, as well as the language barriers, because they have different curriculums. They have British, they have their own, and some other countries in North Africa. mElimu has resolved all these challenges, and in the last 5 years with them, we have successfully started with almost 10 campuses. Now we are almost with more than 20 campuses working with them. We really thanks for attending this event and today's conference. Thanks all of you. Any questions if you have, you can email us at philippines@melimu.com. Thanks and bye-bye.